Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Viewers' discretion is advised. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advised.
When I was coming home, I heard the shots bursting. So I ran home to see what going on. And when I reached, I see she on the ground, lifeless. I feel sad because that is my real G check. Because whereas getting that girl that just make the day proper for fellas. So I'm not happy, and she there be always happy because it was sad. It's sad to see that you go like that. As I watch out, I see, wow, Riely, so you go. I'm disappointed because, to me, the man did not to kill a girl, yeah? The man did not to kill a girl. That is a little girl. The girl just turned 15.
Countryman channel, biggest YouTube channel worldwide, cover the world, international. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother vlogger, a bitch and fag. Ride out the yang with big flag. Pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother vlogger, a bitch and fag. Ride out the yang with big flag. Pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman step for the shoes, hush puppy. You might see him on the news and make enough stoppy. Him love step him can't settle him feet. Ring gobble and them a call police. Send Lucia, people in my band for peace. Over Trinidad, Belize is a fucking beast. Fucking countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. Your mother vlogger, they a bitch and fag.
Now more talk about that case, a Riely case. Because I get some new info. Them out more put out there. But I must say this, all along, what I have been saying, it's pretty much the truth that the Baboon King syndicate knew or was and part of members from the Baboon King gang was complicit in this ordeal. Before I go any further, I have to talk about the raunchy teenage sex where the man them have with the young teenage girls and down there. It's really disgusting. You understand? But the police need to step to these guys, and I'm gonna drop some name. I'm never lay out the motive, which to me I don't even know if there's a motive, but me I wait name. It just seems like I guess it's like this. I find it hard to wrap my head around what them say this young lady do, because I mean she is not retarded like no, she's not like that though. Okay, so I just find it hard, so that's why I struggle with this. I want to the drive with me now, so cause me have a dolly round the corner here. I want to know what I mean when I say dolly round the corner. For those of you who don't know that what I mean, listen, I have to show you something right now, cause I have to talk about this, for dolly back around the corner and come back to this young lady. Okay, so just keep up with Countryman. This guy right here get plugged up in a Marchland, and this was late last year. Now, the bottom feeder here, him run with Baboon King gang, you know. So Curly, Larry and Mo and the whole of them run together. Now when that tomato here get slapped away, he was there with another member of the crew, and that member of the crew there, him go by the name Lash Up. Now my intel told me that they kill Riely let me use alleged, even though I know how them do it, for revenge. Like I stated earlier, they said that Riely was the person who called that night when this young man get murdered in a Malad or Marchland. Sorry, Mr. Malad. I am not taking this out, yo. Yeah, in Marchland. I want y'all follow me now, you know. Now the culprit in a Riely slaying, the people them are the man them who actually carry out the act of murdering this young lady is Dylan and Lashup. Okay? Dylan and Lashup, they are the alleged culprit and the police needs to look into them. Dylan and Lashup. Now, this stress on a bigger point that I've been making for the last couple years to blow out, or the last year with St. Lucia. Baboon King, Marvin, this was coming from his inner circle. Now he's in jail, and this guy is in jail, Baboon King, and he is running an army of assassinators, yo. Now, even if he don't order certain things, he knows what's going on and he doesn't stop it. Which brings me to the next point I was gonna talk about, is the fact that he was a player in the 7 and the 6 agreeing to come to an end. Cause I hear certain people out there said that it was because of Marvin why certain things was possible in that. Now I want to address the bottom feeder here. Actually, them two bottom feeder here, Dylan and Lashup. Now Dylan, you think me don't know what them call you? Eh? You think me don't know your nickname where you go by upon the street? Car when me say Dylan, people may not know who the hell I'm talking, right? Right. But when I drop your nickname, people is gonna know exactly who he is. Now Dylan, you go by the name SpongeBob SquarePants. You hear the name of the man them have and the man them a murderer, dog. What kind of fucker that? You have a name like SpongeBob SquarePants, and you out there killing young girls. You are big pussy. Are you see for that?
Countryman channel, the biggest YouTube channel govern the world, worldwide. Countryman, some of them boy they have some. Them are some bottom feeder. Them are dead to bomber clad, bottom feeder. You are dead rascal, bottom feeder. Countryman, light them up. Pass your front up, look less so you seaweed. We no smoke with fish, this a no seaweed. How man a touch them up, free weed. How man feel of us to shit the real leader from body them ban. Harrier breed them in a mile and check it as you see speed as she. Give me the front or you think me lead baby born. 9 months ago she get breed. Them are some bottom feeder. You are dead to bomber clad, bottom feeder.
Take a little bit of time and look at this infographics in front of you. Now to the left side, that's Riely, tragic loss. If you look, there's an arrow pointing to some word, and the word say, them say she make the call, meaning that she made the call to set up this youth right here, so tell you the honest truth, me not even know him name and me a laugh, but it not funny. Him associated with the bottom feed of them, right down there at the bottom right, Baboon King, the Baboon King gang them, and he got slapped away. After him get slapped away, then Lash Up and Dylan to the right at the screen right there, and Dylan, him go by the name SpongeBob SquarePants, a real oxy motherfucking moron. If you have a name like that and out there kill little girls, use a fucking douchebag, yo, pardon my language. And if you look at the bottom right there, it says do it for revenge, and then below that you see the bottom feed of them are Baboon King and the gang. So just like I said from day one, we now put on this bumbuckler case, and just like I said, it's coming from the Baboon King group, Frosty, all of them, Tipar with the boy I want to name, the whole of them are pussy. So all of them is complicit with this. Now, what my intel also tell me, and this is kind of shocking, that Miley, Miley, like Miley Cyrus, that Riely, she had a boyfriend. And I think the boyfriend is hanging with these guys also, and her brother. But then it's like the whole of them are asleep with her. Yo, that is such a sick and disgusting mix. You understand? So pretty much, you know, everybody in the crew know what happened, but we feel like man and man afraid to step out if them step out and talk certain things. You don't know what gonna happen to them. But yeah, so it's a whole conspiracy, you know. A whole set of conspiracy behind this young lady murder. Real sickening. The infographics right here spell out everything, just like I said. And I would love to see if the police can pick up Lash Up and Dylan. And Dylan, him go by the name, he's an oxymoron, SpongeBob SquarePants, and he's out there killing fucking kids. Yo, listen, my name is Countryman, yo.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.